Today we will discuss about the theory of inference. So theory of inference is the one of the topic of the discrete mathematics. What is the theory of inference and what is the rules already told the previous two videos. So next logical implications. So logical implication is the one rule is a model forms and the second rule is a model tolerance and the third one is a simplification rule. Okay. So what is the simplification rule here? P and Q, it can be written as P or Q. Next we will move the one derivation part. Show that the hypothesis it is not a sunny this afternoon and is colder than yesterday. We will go to we will go to swimming only if it is sunny. Next third sentence, if we do not go swimming then we will take a trip is a third one. So what is the fourth sentence? We will take a trip then we will be a home by the sunset. So what is the lead to the conclusion? We will be home by sunset. So how many sentences here? Only 4 sentences and the last one is a conclusions. First of all, taking the positive sentence or the how many sentences in the derivatives. So first one, A is a refer to. A is a refer to, it is a sunny. Taking the positive premises. So it is a not sunny. We will take the only it is a sunny. Okay, this is a A. What is a B here? Next one, it is cooler than B. It is a cooler than yesterday is a B. And the third one, we will go to swimming is a third one. So what is the next one? Next one, we will take a trip is a fourth one. The conclusion is we will be a home by sunset is a fourth one. So four. What is the how many sentence? The how many sentence is here is a 5 sentence. So what is the given premises? Only for the 4 premises. So for how we write the logical expression in the first premises? First one, what's the given sentence? It is not a sunny. This is afternoon and it's cooler than yesterday. So what is the sunny? Sunny is a not a sunny. Sunny is a negation E. Okay. Next, oh, it is a cooler than yesterday and this is a use for the and symbols and cooler than yesterday. This is a B. So what is a logical expressions in negation A and B is a first sentence of the logical expressions. So next, what is the second one? The second one is we will go to swimming. It will if it is a sunny is a second sentence. So second sentence, first of all, if it is a sunny is a first one. This is a first one A and we will go to swimming is a implied sentence. So how we write the logical impressions? A tends to C. A tends to C. This is a conditional law. And the third one, if we do not go swimming, then we will take a trip is a third one. So what is the logical expression is? This is a not. This is the negation part. So negation C tends to D is a third one. So fourth one, we will take a trip, then we will be a home by sunset. So the logical expression is D tends to E. D tends to E. The last conclusion is we will be a home by sunset is a E. So what is the premises here? So only for the 4 premises. So the 4 premises. So here first one, negation A and B and the second one A tends to C and the third one negation C tends to D and the fourth one is D tends to U. Using the 4 premises, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is we will be a home by sunset is the conclusion. How is derived? We will see the next one. What is the derivation part here? So first one, first step. First step, taking the first premises. So what is the premises? Negation A and B is the first premises. Using the simplification law, we will take the any two terms based on the one term. First one, negation A or B. We will take the negation A. So what is the negation A? Derived from the first one. This is the derived from the first one. Next, introduce the second premises. This is a second premise. This one is a first premise. What is the second premises here? A tends to C. So A tends to C. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is derived from 2 and 3. So what is the 2? 2 is a negation A and 3 is a tends to C. It can be written as A should be cancelled. What is the remaining here? Negation C. This rule is called the modus tollens. Next, introduce the third one, third premises. What is the third premises here? Negation C tends to D, and the sixth one is derived from 4 and 5. So, what is the 4 here? Negation C and negation C tends to D. Negation C should be cancelled. The remaining is D. This is the modus ponens is the rule. Next, introduce the last premises D tends to U. This is your fourth premises. So, the fourth premises introduced to seventh step. And what is the eighth one? The eighth one derived from 6 and 7. So 6 and 7, 7. So what is the sixth one? D comma D tends to U. D should be cancelled for using the modus ponens rule. The remaining is E. What is the derivation part? The conclusion is E. What is the conclusion here? We will be home by the sunset. Using the four premises and express the logical equivalence, and we will get the conclusion is E. What is the here? We will be home by the sunset. Thank you.